Hello today, and today we're gonna have a game of Big Run on the Commodore Amiga. And this is a game request by John Gage on YouTube. Okay, we're gonna have some Paris-Dakar rally here. And cool, because I really enjoyed that rally actually. I have reviewed some four or five different Paris-Dakar rally games here on my channel. So check them out, but I have never heard about this game before. This game came out in the arcade in 1981, and this conversion on the Amiga from 91. Okay, interesting. Looking forward to it. So I'm surprised that I have never heard about this game before actually. So it will be interesting now. Tunis, Tusir, I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know exactly where it is exactly, but it's down in the Sahara Desert, I think. So here we are in my blue car here, and my rank is up to the right, and down there, down into left is my gears. There are only 2 gears, which I control manually here. So here we go. Cool. Look, it looks quite good actually. Nice frame rates. And I'm 3rd position now. And it's very narrow road here. Very narrow and tough to pass the cars. I need to be top 4, I think, in order to qualify. So now I'm 3rd. It's a decent motor sound, I must say. It's good motor sound. So come on, move your asses. Time over, but I finished. Congratulations, 3rd position. Cool. A nice music we have here. And I like the title screen in the beginning too. Very nice. So here we come. Can I have a kiss or something now? She blew me a heart, I think. Couldn't see that one, but okay, thank you. I'm flattered. Now we're going from Tusir to Tumu. I'm not very good at the geography in this region, so if there is any viewers who know exactly where I'm driving, you can please comment down in the comment section. So let's see what the next stage has to offer. I have gave this a few test runs actually, but I don't remember so much about the tracks. I think this is a tricky road with much obstacles and shit. So be prepared to see me crash a lot here. You see, there are big stones or whatever it is in the middle of the road there. Very lethal. Very scary. Shit! Oops! They just show up. It's so hard to predict. I have to go slalom here. Shit, look. They just show up. Like that. How am I supposed to drive there to avoid it? Can I advance 1 position? It's a mix between civil cars and competitors here, but they have something in common. All cars look exactly the same, except for my car. Oops. Am I closing in now? I don't really know. I'm in 4th position now, and I don't want to crash into something. Better stay here on the right side of the road. Oof. Come on. Let me through. It's so narrow. Let me through. There you go. Yeah, 3rd. Okay, cool. Tumu! Yeah, thank you. Great driving, thank you so much. And I got another heart. Awesome. So now we're going from Tumu to Agades. Okay. Interesting. So I have never played the original arcade game or any of these conversions. I think it came out on Atari ST as well, and Super Nintendo, I think, if I have done my homework right. Move your ass, it's so narrow. Oh, sorry. So if there is any viewers who have played this game or the original arcade, please comment down in the comment section. I really want to know. I'm very curious. So this track seems to be a little bit more straightforward actually. So far it is actually. Not so many obstacles and shit. Oops. Came in a little steep there. Move. Please move. Let me through. Let me through, please. Oh, come on. They are blocking my way deliberately, it seems. They are very mean people. Very, very mean people. Come on, what was that all about? Now I'm losing. Ah. Just because they blocked my way there. It's their fault. But I ended up third, so it's alright. Do 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 do. Yeah, very cool game actually. Very cool. I'm liking this game a lot actually. I'm grateful. Thank you, John, for the request. Now we're going to Bamako. Yes, can we please continue to the next stage, please? I have to download the original arcade and try that one out as well, actually. I'm very curious now about this game to learn more about it. So I played with my Xbox One controller here. Maybe I said that before, I don't remember. Shit. So pushing upwards on my analog stick or my D-pad, I'm not very keen. I prefer pushing a button, but I don't have a choice here. Shit! Now I'm driving like an idiot here. It's very, very narrow. Very narrow here. A lot of obstacles. Shit. Oh, now we have this shit in the way, middle of the road as well. Come on, I cannot predict it. They just show up too fast. Time over. Come on, can I... Oh, I mean... Now I'm last. This is... Yeah. This is embarrassing. What the finale. But this was the trickiest track by far. So it will probably be game over soon. Shit. This is catastrophe. Catastrophe. Come on. There are so many obstacles. It's... Can I please reach my goal zone? Can I please reach my goal zone? This is very embarrassing. Oh no, come on! How am I supposed to predict that? Oof, come on. Shit. They just show up. I mean, too sudden. Oh, so that was I didn't enjoy that track so much actually. Oh. So, can I continue? Bamako to St. Louis. Okay, but I think we're gonna wrap it up here because I have been going on quite some time now. So I will must say I appreciate this request. So thank you so much. I will give it a 7 out of 10 for big run on the Amiga. So there you go. I'm gonna continue playing here, but I'm not gonna record everything here. So like always, take good care of yourself out there and have a good one. Goodbye.